Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. Some perfect reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address some of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Hotel accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various landmarks and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, please read the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem booking online for this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. People help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to the channel, then you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.